Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make audio sound muffled on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and as you can see I have imported an audio to this CapCut project, and I'm going to make this audio sound muffled. If we want to do so, we can tap on the audio and tap on the audio again until it's active. Then we can use audio effect to make it as audio muffled. Just go to the audio effect and I'm going to show you which of the effect we can use to make our audio sound muffled. You can go to the you can scroll down and you can choose this one guys, megaphone. Okay. Okay, or actually you can choose final or lo-fi. And for the lo-fi, and I think the microphone effect is better, so I'm gonna choose this one, and then we can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make our audio muffled on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.